First impressions matter, and in magic, your case is often the very first thing your audience sees. From the moment it's placed on stage or opened in a close-up setting, this briefcase communicates that you take your craft seriously. This isn't just a table, it's a true working briefcase with the capacity to support real-world performances. The interior offers generous storage for a full professional set, easily accommodating cups, bowls, rings, coins, and small props such as balls, rope, silk, scissors, and other utilities, along with gimmick tools and specialty items. Everything travels in one place, organized, protected, and ready to perform. No juggling multiple bags, no compromises on what you bring. The bottom contains a steel-reinforced inner wall that delivers long-lasting structural support. Fully adjustable stand with secure locking height adjustments. Stand system includes its own dedicated carrying case, complete with a removable adjustable servant. If your goal is to look prepared, polished, and professional at every performance, this is the professional performance system that's built for you. The Professional Briefcase Table by Murphy's Magic. Because quality speaks before the magic begins.